that one continues going for some reason. There we go. Okay, now into this one. This one may be a little harder to set off.
Fire.
There we go. Okay, that alarm that I just tested, that alarm in there should be out here, but the electrician that installed them wasn't told where to put the alarms, so he just put them in random spots. Thankfully, the upstairs alarms are in the correct spots, so let's get going with those ones. Should probably have something to... Oh, I'll get that in a minute. Need a little bit more. Why is that one not going off? That may be the photoelectric one. Okay then, let's figure out how am I gonna get that. Okay, I'll give that a moment. If it doesn't go off, I'll move on to the other ones. Okay then, I guess I'll come back to that one. Go into my room, test this one. Here we go. Here we go. That one downstairs is still going. Wait for that. Here we go. Here we go. have to blow at it. Okay, let's see if I can get this one to work. There we go. Okay, that one's pretty sensitive then. Wow. Okay, so I guess I'll just do a review on the alarms. We've got, I'm not sure what the model numbers are, but in the bedroom, this should be in my parents' bedroom, but as I said, the electrician put a couple, the downstairs alarms are in the wrong spots, but yeah, so the bedrooms have these kitty, however you pronounce it, dual ionization and photoelectric. And then, like I said, that one should be in the hallway where that one is. And then if you go upstairs, the alarms up here are in the right spot. Oop, there go with my earbuds. Up in, did that just say it's gonna go off? Or what was that? It just, okay. Okay then, I don't know what that means, but, yeah, so, yeah, these alarms are in the hallways, and what those ones do is, we got one is dual carbon monoxide and, one is carbon monoxide and smoke. One is ionization, one is photoelectric. So, yeah, okay. I'm not sure why it blinks solid red like that, if it means there's still smoke in it or what. But now we know they work. Oh, zooming in. Okay, yeah. So yes, my house is being rebuilt at the moment, so that is why this may seem like a new environment from some of my other videos. That's why, it's because my house has been being rebuilt, and I just realized that's a completely different alarm. That one looks completely different from the one we have upstairs, I just realized. But yeah, that might be why this looks like a slightly different environment, is because of it being my house that has been being worked on for a while now. So yeah, that's it. First time testing these alarms.